So first of all, you can select the any website with the approved by Google AdSense. So just select by any one particular option here. In this, you can select by particular video option. So just any upload your option by Facebook, we can using for last thumbnail always. That will be shading by here. Date will be option will be here. Just I'm select option. I'm using by Facebook. You can direct shading by your Facebook page option. Select here. I'm selecting page. Select here. Click to your Facebook page. Once click to your Facebook page, we can reach the audience any Facebook page to groups, everything will be. You can shading by your Facebook page to other options. Reason I tell you, here two advantages. One is called website earnings by based on the website traffic. Second one is called increase your Facebook likes and followers. So how? That is called, first I'm selecting for particular posting on your Facebook business page. Now just refresh it. You can share page to page, one option, page to your timeline, second option, page to your friends timeline, Facebook page to groups. Last will be Facebook page will sending by the private message. So just here. Every posting will be sharing by the option using for hashtag. So just I'm setting here. Share. I'm setting for total options here. Timeline. Including original post. Why? I can increase my page likes. I can increase my page likes. Click for post. Everything will be posting to original post. Why? At time increase my page likes, my website traffic. Both. Select here. Share. You can share your friends' timeline, everything. So most powerful by the your select by the page also. Select it along with the original post. Two otherwise my page likes and my website traffic. Anything will be doing promotion will be like this. One is called for promoting my website links, and second will be my website traffic. Based on the traffic, increase my the website earning. That is called increase my the ads. Increase by the ads. Any ads will be dependent by the your website AdSense. Next one, increase your page likes and followers. Any sharing posting will be any timeline group anywhere using for show original post. So most of the affected will be shared by the new customer using for Facebook groups. Select your group. Select your preliminary any group will be there. Select it. Original post and post option. Done. This is called reach by new customers with the Facebook groups. Add the relevant Facebook group, post on the particular groups. Education don't mix by films, film not mixed by the education. This will be going to spam by your post your content. This is very important by the increase your website earnings, page like, page followers, and increase your website traffic with brand awareness. Finally, people know about your website to increase your audience. This is very important from the particular business generation by the website traffic and earnings. Facebook likes and Facebook followers will be increased. This will be very important by the Facebook logic for organic markets.